Hi there, I thought you might find this funny, so I thought I would share it with you. I am annoyed, but it's also frustrating, but I know that you probably find it funny. If it's shaking, it's because I'm holding my mobile phone. But anyway, NYX advent calendar has been available on the Very website for a couple of days now, and I've been ordering from Very for years and years and years, no problem. So as soon as I found out, I ordered it. It's £45 for a 12-day advent calendar. And yeah, so it arrived yesterday. But instead of the calendar, I received these. A set of 3 flipping lipsticks. I'm not paying, well, it's £45 and £3.95 shipping. So absolutely gutted. Yesterday was my YouTube filming day, so I had a lot of things to film. Did my makeup, hair, as I usually do, set up my bedroom, tidied up my bedroom because I am quite a messy person. So tidied it all up, set up all the lighting, camera and all that. So the fact that the advent calendar was not the advent calendar, it wasn't wasted then. I thought, oh, okay, it's just a pain. Put in a return, put in another order, and tracking was available this morning. So I thought, oh, okay then. I'm not filming anything today, set everything back up, did hair and makeup, which is no problem. I love doing my hair and makeup anyway, but just, yeah, like thinking, okay, I've only got so long before I have to pick the kids up from school. So yeah, so set everything up, and guess what? This came in the post. There's no way that's an advent calendar. And you never guess what? I got another one of these. We got another one of these. What are the packers doing? This is the second time now they've sent me these lipsticks. I'm frustrated because I have to put everything away now. I'm frustrated because I'm going to have to send this back again, and I'm going to have to fight my corner to have my shipping credited back onto my account for yesterday and today. And then I'm going to reorder because I can't find the advent calendar anywhere else, not in the UK anyway. So yeah, I'm going to have to reorder and potentially receive another pack of 3 blimmin' lipsticks tomorrow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm going to have to ring them up and speak to someone and to get them to put a note so that the packers know. Advent calendar with 12 items in it, not a set of 3 lipsticks. Yeah, so the NYX advent calendar will be on my channel, but I can't tell you when. It should have been yesterday, then today. I'll try again tomorrow, I suppose. Right, there's an update. I clicked the chat icon, went through to the bot, and then eventually got through to an advisor. And yeah, my shipping of £3.99 for the 2 lipstick packs is going to be refunded, which is great. But she said to hold off from ordering for a couple of weeks because it's a supplier issue, and she's just put in a complaint, and there's nothing that they can do their end until that is sorted. So it's something to do with the barcode. So I'd love to know if you've ordered the NYX advent calendar over the last couple of days, if you're receiving these lipsticks too. I always get my NYX advent calendars from Very, so I don't know where else to get it from now. There's nowhere else is selling it at the moment. Maybe Look Fantastic might, Feel Unique, I don't know, Boots maybe, but yeah, not yet anyway. But I might leave it a couple of days and order it and see, and if I'm still getting the lipsticks, then yeah, I'm not going to bother with Very. But I thought you might be interested in this little saga of mine. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.